Tini Tangsal, Tipra Engineer Society by Luajijak, Anti-Drug Awareness Campaign, Montfort Higher Secondary School Klaijaka. Aro jotoi 300 student rock manjak baika, pando jotono shikrang tei shikongbo yafarjaka. Manjak faika Montfort School ne principal Reverend Bro M.K. Devasi, Champaknagar Outpost ni OC D. Chakma, te manjaka Dr. Orup Shankar da Burma no khobui, teibo Tipra Engineer Society ni adongra.
He is being ranked in Burma down and he is using heroin drugs. This was small containers. There is some powders. One container is to sell 150 or 200 rupees. If 5 containers you sell, you will reach 1 day. It's 1,000. So actually, he is a consumer, not a seller. But till now, when we detain any guy, when there is a loss of drugs containers, we used to book him in NDPS case. NDPS means narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances. It's 1958. So in this case, we have booked him. After booking him in this case was registered against him. And I have seen that while he was in police remand, he didn't get more drugs when he is in lockup. When he didn't get drugs to consume, what he have, how his suffering was started during the shock when he was being a police who sometimes used to scare of them. Because they will be their head on the wall when they did it. Their body used to be totally. They used to sweat. Automatically we used to tell those doctors. Because there's some tablet they used to give just for suffering, during the suffering. So my dear sir, don't.
At the outset, I, on behalf of the Tipra Engineer Society, convey my heartiest thanks and welcome to the Principal, Reverend Brother M.K. Devasai of Montfort Higher Secondary School for giving us the permission to conduct anti-drug awareness campaign. And today, in this anti-drug awareness program, we have with us Dr. Orup Shankar Burma, expert speaker for anti-drug awareness campaign, and D. Chakma, representative of Champaknagar Outpost and OC, our President, Tipra Engineer Society, and my dear students. Our secretary, they have some explained about our activities. I just want to 3-4 lines what we have taken. Actually, we are the non-political organization, Tipra Engineer Society. We have formed in the year 2001, and since the inception of this Tipra Engineer Society, we have undertaken so many welfare activities. Say, free health camp come awareness program in interior places of our state. Besides, one model place we have conducted Korbong Para. This is only 5 kilometers away from this school. There is a tribe of Korbong. This is diminishing tribes. Therefore, we have taken this initiative to set up one model place. And this project is already completed. And we are also dealing with various kind of social activities like during COVID-19, we have distributed 10,000 relief materials in various corners of our state with the help of ONGC CSR activities. Besides, we also dealing with educational sponsorship meritorious students belong to economically weaker section of the society. So today's topic is the anti-drug awareness program. And there is no doubt that this drug addiction